The Nothing Phone 3A is rumored to be the brand's next affordable entry into the smartphone market, offering a budget-friendly alternative to the flagship Nothing Phone 3, while still maintaining its signature transparent design and glyph interface. Expected to launch in late 2025, the Phone 3A could feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a mid-range Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, and a dual camera setup with AI enhancements for improved photography. Unlike its premium sibling, it may come with a plastic frame instead of aluminum to keep costs down, while still delivering a premium in-hand feel. Nothing OS 3.0, based on Android 15, is expected to run smoothly with optimized software and a bloat-free experience. Battery life will likely be a strong point, with a 4,700 mAh battery and fast charging support, though wireless charging might be absent to cut costs. The Phone 3A is expected to target users who appreciate Nothing's unique design language but don't necessarily need flagship-level specs, making it a strong competitor against mid-range offerings from Samsung, Google, and OnePlus. If Nothing plays its cards right, the Phone 3A could redefine the mid-range market, bringing high-end aesthetics and thoughtful software to a more accessible price point.